Aglut-luto ako.
Go.
Good morning. This is Kusina Ilocano. Preparing for skinless chicken longganisa. A healthy alternative for those who cannot eat fat. This longganisa has no preservative. Pwede sa lahat.
So yun, if you're looking for a healthy option, here in Kusina Ilocano, we're offering chicken longganisa. This has no preservatives but all the natural flavors of the condiments, the aromatics, and the natural ingredients. So this comes with the ground chicken, garlic,
pepper,
salt and pepper,
and to have a color, we use annatto seed.
So perfectly natural ingredients. That's why it is safe to eat. Sugar, may sugar.
A little of sugar.
A little bit of sugar, brown sugar to taste. But overall, this healthy longganisa will savor in your mouth for your healthy breakfast. So our one tub is about 400 grams. Contains about 6 pieces of this one and has 12 pieces of this one, and this is a sample of your order. 12 pieces of skinless chicken longganisa. And this costs 190 pesos only for your healthy option.
Papa, papa, papa.